If you've ever wished your favorite restaurant could just come straight to your door, and I mean, who hasn't? Well, then this next spot is for you. Top Burmese in Northwest Portland doesn't have a dine-in area. Instead, authentic Burmese food is delivered to your home. Moore's photojournalist James Sparks was able to stop by the kitchen to see how this virtual restaurant works.
All right, so this one has a green tea salad, just a green tea salad.
Okay.
The speed is super critical for us because we got about roughly 10 minutes. All right, great. So the driver is ready for driver. Should be en route. We'll take it out to the front. So we're actually more delivery and pickup centric. And we use this actually different delivery platforms actually to deliver hot food to our customers, right? You press a button and then the food deliver right to you. So when I actually look at it, it's like, hey, can we actually just set up a restaurant on these platforms and treat it like a marketplace, right? Instead of having a physical sit down restaurant and then think of the delivery as a secondary sort of option. What about if we flip it around and start thinking about digital first strategy, and then see actually if we could sort of just exist purely on these platforms, right? Yeah, so currently right now we deliver on 5, so Grubhub, and Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, and Amazon Restaurant. So we currently actually have our storefront on those platforms, and Caviar is coming in a couple of weeks, and with them actually we'll also have our exclusive dishes just for those platforms. So it gives us that opportunity where you could even try out sort of a platform specific exclusive dishes. So I think which is pretty cool. So our food is it's influenced by our neighbors. So mainly our largest neighbor out India. So we have a lot of Indian spices, and our food is sort of influenced by that, right? But the way that actually those spices are sort of put together, their amounts, it makes very unique flavor and distinct Burmese cuisine, right? It's a dish called lepet, and it is the fermented tea leaf salad. And it's been extremely popular. Our version is actually, we made it with no animal products at all. So it is a vegan dish. And I always like to call it, because it's a fermented product and like kombucha. So it's when people ask me like, hey, how does it taste like? It's like, hey, do you like the first question I ask is like, hey, do you like kombucha? They're like, yeah, okay, all right, then actually you're gonna like this. You're gonna love this, right? If you're the foodie and love the Southeast Asian food, I mean, definitely Burmese food will actually surprise you. It's actually very similar. It's not Indian food. It's not Chinese food. It's sort of like borrow from ingredients from a lot of different places, but uniquely put together. So if you're the foodie that actually sort of adventurous and you never tried Burmese food before, you definitely should try it. It'll give you a very unique flavor and taste.
Now, if delivery isn't your thing, you're already out and about, you can order ahead and pick up your order at Top Burmese on Northwest 16th.